OpenHack 2.0 is an immersive hackathon where students get to work on real-life engineering problems with mentors from the Unacademy team.
Hi, my name is Aditya and I am here for the OpenHack 2.0 and I'm working with the live class experience team. I'm trying to revamp the drawing board of the live class. Now what we are incorporating in the current project is we are trying to allow the educator to move and scale its objects so it enhances its usability and it's a better experience for both learners and the educator.
Hey, my name is Vaibhav and I was a last year OpenHack participant. This year I'm working as a software engineer at Unacademy. I work on live class here. This year we are doing OpenHack 2.0 and it's a great feeling that people are again coming here for OpenHack from different best colleges in India, best talents from India, and we are giving them problem statement that we are actually facing here.
So this year in OpenHack, we are working on the projects that are closely related to the scalability of our platform. Let's say the biggest project that we have picked is Audit Trail, which will help us monitoring each and every small actions of the user on our platform so that we can monitor their entire journey. Apart from that, we are working on data stitching that will help us maintaining all our secondary data stores near real time, so that all our management information systems are working real time only.
Like the first thing here I observed is like environment over here. It is very cool and kind of it attracted me towards this Unacademy. Like the like on the first day they have given all the goodies. I mean basically I'm very attracted to the goodies and they have given all the goodies.
So with the learner interactivity, we are adding videos, GIFs features, and we are making the objects move all the whichever the educator write, he can scale and he can move the writings. This will directly go into the production and this will be a great opportunity for the people who are working on these projects.
So these problems range from a variety of domains like scaling and performance, machine learning and UI engineering. So at the end of this event, there are demos that are given by the students themselves, which will involve the judges from the internal team and the external panels.
It's a great experience for the mentors to get some fresh ideas and perspectives of how to solve these different problems. And for the students, it's an opportunity to work on problems that is going to shape how millions of people learn and achieve their dreams.
At the end of the event, the students also get an opportunity to receive job offers at an academy.
Let's crack it.
Let's crack it.
Let's crack it.